She's an icon, she's a legend, and she is the moment. Now, come on now.
For my girlies, I just saw this pad, lily pad, 14 pads in one, and I just got it from Avano and it was like 990 naira. It's way cheaper than the one I used to use, and it's modern and it's really long, so I'm going to be using it. I've never used it before, so I'm going to be using it just to try it out, and I hope to give a review on what I think about the pad. Okay. So today is Friday. Today is Friday. It's 27th of March, and I am heading to the bank right now to do some transaction. And yes, so I just got this errand to run. Here to the bank. Good morning, guys. Today is about 9th of not much, and we are starting a new vlog. I want to be very disciplined, and I want to be very serious with everything I have to do with life, with my life, with my business, with my potential, with my purpose on earth, and with everything that concerns me, including YouTube. And so we are starting today. I haven't made my bed. My life has been so much happening, and so much which hasn't happened. So we are trying to put things and structure ourselves today. So I'll be taking a walk and run this morning. It's about almost 7 a.m. so we have to be out there. And yeah, and let's start off our day positively. It's 7:23. It's 11th of March today, and I'm going outside. You know, we have a local gym outside of my house. I'm going outside to lift some weight, to do some squats. So for the past last 2 days, I've been really consistent, and now I just want us to be really consistent in what we are doing. And yeah, so when I get back, we are going to plan our day, clean the room, because I haven't cleaned my room, to be honest. It's a mess. So we'll do that, take a shower, and begin the day. Monday morning, the 6th of April, and today I pushed myself out of the bed and I'm like, let's go for a walk, and that's what we're gonna do. So let's go for a walk today. Let's go for a workout. I'm going to be doing my little cardio, then a little bit of weightlifting, and then we'll begin the day.
Real trap Selena.
Hey, 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 face pretty, I could win her. Hey, 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 hey. Yeah, only want that. This is good. Face pretty, I know I could probably win a pageant, baby. They say I'm attractive, I be feeling like a magnet, baby. I'm just young and ratchet, baby. Love it when you snack it, baby. If it ain't about money, cut it short, 20 bracket, baby. Bitch can't do like me. Hello? Bitch can't do like me. Hello? Woke up and I'm still in the lead. I know these hoes is mad. It's time for hoes smoke with me, then we can link whenever. Until then, I'm in my bed, just rub my feet together. Slow face, bitch. Whose spot is you taking? My spot forever, ho. I'm like a Dalmatian. Who them vanity Chanel's for? Not me. Y'all bitches post them shits up all y'all want, but not see. Gotta do the jumbo, might just do the maxi. I like a classic bag, gotta keep it classy. If you see the EFG, these bitches can fuck with me. Pussy tastes like honeycomb. Wanna turn my hoes over the pants like a mom.